Hey guys, this is Bam of adobotech.net, and today we have a new phone. So we're going to unbox this one of the latest smartphone from Samsung. It's the Samsung Galaxy A20. Alright, so let's get unboxing. The Samsung Galaxy A20 is one of the affordable A series of Samsung. So it says on the back, it features Super AMOLED screen, Infinity-V display, and a dual camera. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So this includes the quick start guide and of course the warranty card. So next is the Galaxy A20 device. So you have the earphones, the Type-C cable, of course the charger, and you have there the SIM ejector pin. So let's keep it aside. Okay, so let's open up the Galaxy A20. Here we go. Oh, here. So wow, the color is nice. So look at that. You have the fingerprint at the back. Okay, so let's try to power it up. So what is the Galaxy A20? Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy A20 features 6.4 HD plus Super AMOLED display with Infinity-V display notch, which is at the top of the screen. Of course, you have the fingerprint scanner at the back. It's a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. So at the bottom you have the 3.5 audio jack and the Type-C adapter, the microphone, and the speaker. Here at the side you have the SIM card slot, okay, microphone again, the power button, and the volume control. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I'll just agree on this one. Skip. Skip. Okay, so just a second. Okay, here we go. So it's ready for setup. So for the security, it supports face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, of course the reliable password if you want to set it up now. So let's keep it for now. Okay, so usually the usual recommendation apps from Samsung. So skip and skip. And it's all done. Here we go. Just put it on brightness. So the Samsung Galaxy A20 is powered by Okay, let me see. It's powered by 1.6 gigahertz Exynos 7884 octa-core processor. It has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabyte internal storage. It also supports a micro SD card and can accommodate around 512 gigabyte of storage. The front-facing camera, well, it has a 13 megapixel with a f 1.9. Oh, sorry. The front-facing camera features an 8 megapixel f 2.0 camera sensor. So it's a dual SIM. So of course, a dual SIM 4G LTE, and it also comes with 4,000 milliampere battery. For the colors, you can choose between black and deep blue. So this one is deep blue, which is really, really nice. Look at that. So, well, it is a fingerprint magnet, so you might want to get some protection or the case for it. Okay, so let's check on the system. Where is it? Here we go. So the system setting. So for the about, so as you can see, so Samsung Galaxy A20. For the camera, okay, I'll take some snapshots. Here we go. Okay, so here's our the sample. So I just take this from where I, okay. Actually, the camera looks nice. So there you go, guys. It's the new Samsung Galaxy A20. So it's one of the budget phone or budget A series from Samsung. Again, this is Bam about dobotech.net, and thank you for watching.